Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm tackling my husband's clothes with him. Here is the before. We're going through his closet where we will sort and declutter and organize his clothes. He has these 3 drawers in the closet. We will sort through those first. Right now I'm just organizing his pants, shorts and work pants so we can go through it together. I also take all his socks out and underwear and sportswear. And then we'll go through this first, but doing it like Marie Kondo method, just taking 1 or 2 or 3 categories together. 1, 2, and 3 empty drawers. Let the decluttering begin. I'm assisting my husband in his decluttering, but he's making the final decision on every clothing item. We're talking about which pants he uses and which he don't like anymore, or simply just is worn out and needs to be decluttered. And I make these organizers ready so we can sort some of his socks and underwear in it. Everything that he puts to the right in the top of the video is stuff that he wants to declutter. So he has already decluttered 2 pants. When I fold the pants, I'm making sure to color coordinate it from light to dark colors, so it's easy to put it in the drawer. And here he also let go of 1 pair of white denim pants. And he doesn't want to get rid of any of his shorts, so I'm just folding them so I can reorganize it into his wardrobe. And we will put it in the drawer so we can look through the next category. It's all his socks. So we take all his business socks and put it in 1 little organizer. And then all his black ankle socks and white ankle socks together in 1 organizer. And his winter and skiing socks we will put together, maybe we'll store them away. So next to the pants, there is some socks that he has decluttered. They are either too worn out or have holes in. It's time to let it go. And here we are doing some reorganizing of the nice socks, taking all the white colors together, the white and the sand and the brown, and then the blue and the black are in another organizer. And here he chose to get rid of some more socks. He has also a lot, I think. He's also letting go of a lot of merino wool socks. that he can use for skiing, but they're kind of too small for him, so he was like, you can get them if you want. So right now I chose to keep them. And now we will go through underwear. So first we just see how many he has, and he will count. And then he will choose what he likes the most. All the black ones he will let go. So these 6 paints of underwear he'll declutter, because he recently bought some new. And these are some of his nightshirts. I'll just fold them nicely so we can put them in the drawer. What's left is his sportswear that he uses for football. There was some more to declutter, and I think there will be a few more t-shirts to declutter. This green one I liked, but he didn't really use it. I think it was not fitting him that good, so he decluttered it. Here I count all his decluttered items. I count every 2 socks as 1 pair. And it was 20 items to let go of. So in his dresser he decluttered 20 items, and here is the after of his dresser. Socks and underwear and nightwear, and sportswear. Next up is the closet with all his hanged clothes, but he's categorizing it right now into shirts and everyday clothes or t-shirts and some pants. I will just get the jackets too, and I will just help him like make the long t-shirts and short sleeve t-shirt in 2 piles. He has a lot of nice suits too, and ties. I don't think he will let go of any of his suits, but we'll see. So I'm just holding one piece up, and he's deciding if he wants to let go or keep. Right now he just wants to change the hangers for these more heavy items. And I categorize it in color. Now the t-shirts. He says he wants to look through all the white t-shirts, so he will look through all the other colors first. Right now he's just making a maybe pile with all the white t-shirts. And this t-shirt he will just save to sleep in. He didn't like this black t-shirt, so that's the first declutter. I like this orange, but he think it was too worn. So that's a second declutter from his t-shirts. And one more declutter. And the other one he will later on choose to keep as a night t-shirt. He chose these two white t-shirts to declutter. So that's 6 t-shirts he decluttered. I'll just sort it in color again, from light to dark. Next up is his shirts. The yellow one is a maybe. All the other ones is a yes. The reason why you can't hear us talk is because we're talking Danish, so I chose to delete the recording and just make a voiceover for this video. Organizing it in color again, and long shirts and short sleeve shirts are together from light to dark. So the red shirt is a declutter, and the beige is not a declutter. The blue one is also a declutter. Okay, he chose to declutter the beige and keep the yellow one. And he also decluttered the blue shirt. So that's another 4 declutters. I want 2 more t-shirts to declutter. And now we go through all his suits. And I'm just taking all the hangers and removing them. So that was 1 maybe, 2 maybe, 3 maybe, and another maybe. So 4 maybes. That's our cat, he was hunting something. I could love to look at what we are doing. So 4 suits he chose to let go of. That's a lot, I think, because they are nice suits still, so I think he will try to sell them. And now he will go through his ties. These 2 jackets he will keep, but there's 1 jacket that he will declutter. That's this black jacket from Sarah. And he has a lot of ties here. So now we're just talking about which one he doesn't like and which one he doesn't use. So he let go of 4 ties. So that's 22 items decluttered. And that's it. Now he needs to reorganize it in his closet. We already color coordinated all his clothes, so it's very easy for him to put it in the closet again. So the total today is 42 items decluttered from my husband's closet. He did really good. Here is the before. Here's the final result of his closet. Looks very color coordinated. And here's the before and after of the drawers. And that's the end of this video. I hope you will follow along, and I'll see you in the next video.